Hi, Shoebox friends. Older girl shoeboxes can be a little tricky sometimes, but today I'm sharing a simple color theme packing method that can really elevate your shoeboxes for these older children and add a touch of pizzazz to help them feel extra special. Let's take a look at what I packed inside this stunning red shoebox for a girl aged 10 to 14. So here is my red box, and it had some writing on the lid, so I decided to cover that up using some Valentine cards I had. These had come with a bracelet set that I had ordered on Amazon, and since there are some panda bears in my box, I thought it would be really cute to use this little card, but I kind of wanted to cover up the sweet Valentine's Day message with one that made a little more sense for the shoebox. So this one here has the rainbow that says friends forever, and I'm just gonna kind of overlay it onto the panda bear one. Here's the lid. I think it turned out really cute with the panda bear, and you can't really tell that it's two separate cards the way it's lined up. So I think it jazzes up the top of the lid, and it's just a really sweet decoration on top. Let's open up this red shoebox. I had this red box in my stash from a pair of shoes that my daughter had recently bought. And I thought it was such a pretty box that I didn't need to wrap it. It's just a beautiful red box. So since I'm doing a red theme, it worked out perfectly. When the child opens her box, this is what she'll see. And this is her lid design. It says you are deeply loved. And it has kind of a gold glittery heart design on there. So I made that on Canva. And I also laminated this little heart. It's like a little doily heart. And it says Jesus loves you on both sides. And one is in French and one is in English. For the past 7 or 8 years since I've been in Florida, my boxes have gone to either French-speaking West African nations, and then this year some of them went to Zimbabwe, which speaks English. So hopefully one of these languages will be what she speaks, but if not, hopefully she'll be able to understand. Here is her gorgeous red theme coming through, and you can see a little panda bear friend on top. This was a Valentine stuffed animal from the Dollar Tree, and I thought it was just a really pretty stuffed animal, very striking with the bright red and the white. So the red theme also turned into a little bit of a panda theme in this box. I had this red lei from about a year ago when Party City was going out of business. They had a bunch of red leis for, I think they're about 10 or 15 cents each. So I still had one left over to go in this box. And I love leis because they just fit so nicely on top of the box and add a festive touch to it. And they're really easy to pack, kind of like a nice packing material on top. Plus the child can put it on right away, and it definitely has that party celebratory feel to it. So here's her wow gift. She's getting a Barbie and a Chelsea doll with some different accessories. And this Barbie doll, I found she's beautiful. She was only about $3 or $4 at Walmart a few months ago on clearance. And the Chelsea doll I also got on clearance for about $2. So I like to include 2 dolls if possible when I send Barbie dolls. I just think it's a nice way for the child to have some extra playtime and another figure to play with. And I included some outfits, so I'll get those out in a minute to show you what I'm including. And to go along with the glasses on the doll, I found these sunglasses at the Dollar Tree with the Valentine's items. And they are true sunglasses. They have UV protection. So I think this will be fun and stylish for the older girl to match her Barbie and to have some nice sunglasses. There is a little pouch here that I also got at the Dollar Tree. And inside, she has a deck of cards. These cards were on Christmas clearance at Target. They're about 30 cents. And I put a little sticker on there. It says, "Be my honey lamb." And I put it over the original design that said poker cards on the front. So I thought that just looked nicer. And these are just a regular set of playing cards. If she wants, she can even just keep them in this little pouch. But I thought it would be nice to have an extra pouch to hold things. She has a little notebook with a heart. It says XOXO and just extra paper. Here is her hygiene pack, and I tried to pick one with a lot of red in it. So it has a red toothbrush and a nice red cross necklace. The chapstick is Mounds flavored, so it's scented like chocolate coconut. And then she also has a set of nail clippers and a washcloth, plus a scripture card that has Hebrews 11:1 on it. Here is her school pack with a lot of red accents as well. So she got a red pouch, and I'll show you quickly what's on the inside. She has some red scissors, a red heart eraser, and then she has her sharpener, a couple of these heart poppets. This is a blueberry scented eraser, a blue highlighter. Here is a little saxophone eraser. She's getting a little airplane to put together. This is from Hobby Lobby. Some animal stickers, a red slap bracelet with snowflakes, and then she has 5 pencils and a blue pen, and then some Astra Brights paper as well. So that's my standard pencil pack, and I just added some extra red things to go in this box. And I included a drawstring backpack. This is a white one that I added a little panda bear iron-on patch to just decorate it a little bit. So that'll help her be able to carry her items home if she needs something else to carry them in. This purse I couldn't pass up. I found it fairly recently at Walmart. It was reduced to $3, so if you see this in your store, it might be worth scanning it to see if it's on sale. I ended up getting one as well for my daughter for Valentine's Day, but it's just a really nice purse, and it's a Wonder Nation brand. Kind of got like a velvety feel to the straps and the back, and then this sequin front. She is getting a really pretty shirt, and this is from the Children's Place. It's more of an orangey red, but I didn't have a whole lot of red shirts in my closet, but I thought this one matched fairly well, and it has the gold sparkles, so it definitely has that shimmery, pretty feel to it with the pink and purple flowers. Another bright, fun item in the box is this puzzle, and I found this recently when I went thrift store shopping to see if I could find any new items for the shoe boxes. And I'm really glad I picked up this puzzle. It actually came in a 3-pack of puzzles, and each of them had a poster of the puzzle also. So on the inside of this bag, there is the poster that matches what the puzzle is. And it's just a really pretty, bright tree picture. This box is also going along with Nicole at Sweet Tea Daily's February challenge to do a Love to Create theme box with some STEM items such as puzzles, and there are a few other items in here that go along with that theme. So if you haven't checked out Nicole's February challenge as well as her previous January Arctic Adventure themed shoeboxes, I'll put a link in the description. It's really fun to be able to collab with other YouTubers and see what people come up with. And then she also has a panda bear little backpack pouch here that has a clip on it. This was 30 cents at Dollar General with their 90% off summer. And inside I filled it up with different items that are very red and sparkly. So she has a bracelet here from Hobby Lobby with heart-shaped beads. She has a red scrunchie. This is a red clay beaded bracelet with some hearts that are in gold. And I thought that would also match her shirt nicely. I also included some heart-shaped sparkly beaded necklaces here. There's a red and a pink. This cookie cutter goes with her Play-Doh. I haven't got it out yet. It's actually softy dough, but I put that in there for her to play with that. One more heart-shaped ring with sparkles in there as well. So lots of fun jewelry. This is the dough. It's softy dough glitter, and it's red, so perfect. I got this at Five Below, and they had all sorts of different colors, and it was only $1, so I thought that would be fun. And with the glitter, it matched these sparkly red items pretty well. This also goes along with the STEM theme. It's a little flower rose Lego in this heart-shaped container. This was from Hobby Lobby. It was $2.99 plus 40% off, so about $1.70 or so. I think she'll have fun putting that together and having a little flower arrangement to display. Just some more little fun red items. This is like a little kaleidoscope toy from Dollar Tree, and Hobby Lobby had their red bouncy balls for Valentine's Day. I included another sharpener, and it's red, and inside I included some red googly eyes, as well as some cap erasers. So just some extra fun and school supplies. There is a red fidget spinner. These are $1 at Five Below. She's also getting a multi-ink pen. This was Christmas clearance at Target. We're getting near the bottom here. There is a nice red jump rope, and I think this was either from Wow Supplies or Lion Wholesale. I can't quite remember which one, but I love to order jump ropes for my shoeboxes from those two wonderful Christian companies. I did include last minute a little sticker Facebook. This was Christmas clearance as well, I believe at Walmart. And I thought it would just be an extra fun activity for her to decorate the animals with different hats and faces and little accessories. I recently found this Silly Scent Smash Ups crayons. They are all scented, and my Dollar General is kind of remodeling, so some of their items were 70% off. And these were included. So it wasn't a terrible deal. I think it was a little over $1 for these, but I thought it would be a different type of crayon for her to use. And the scented part is also kind of unique and fun. I'm also including a set of colored pencils for her to use. And I'm going to stick this little bookmark into the pencil pack. But I added this last minute. It has a little panda bear on it, and it says, "When I'm afraid, I will trust in you." And a red school book. This is a nice thick one. It has 3 different subjects, 3 different sections in it for the child for school. I tucked on the inside some fun stickers. A lot of them are red, so there's some red flower stickers. This just is a red heart. It says adventure. There's a little lizard or chameleon. I don't know if that's an iguana. Anyways, it's a lenticular design. These were little fashionable stickers with sunglasses and lipstick and purses. And then I also added these more Valentine type stickers. And then our family note as well. So just a nice array of stickers and fun for the child when she opens her notebook up. And lastly, on the bottom is this adorable kitty cat coloring book. I decided on this one since it had the sparkly red bow and just kind of went with some of my red themed items. So this was from Dollar General. It was 50 cents after Christmas and just has some really cute images for her to color. And let me show you the Barbie doll out of her packaging. She's just so pretty. I love her. And I love the outfit she's wearing. I also wanted to make sure I included some other outfits. So here is her in a nice teal dress. Here's another one of her outfits. I was so excited to find heart-shaped glasses, just like the ones the little girl will have. And she is styling with this outfit here. So I have a personal goal to send more fun outfits and accessories with my Barbie dolls this year to just extend the play fun for the older girls. But I also want to make sure that I'm trying the outfits on because sometimes they don't fit. And like, for instance, this dress here, I was a little bit perplexed because this top part here, there's no Velcro. It's just sewn shut, and there's no way this would go over this Barbie doll's head, and I don't think it would go over the other dolls that I have either, so I'm just a little confused about that one. I think I got it in a pack from Family Dollar, and if I hadn't gotten it out and tried it on the doll, I wouldn't have realized that this does not go over their heads. So my goal this year is to find nice Barbie doll clothes that fit the dolls. If you have ordered some before, comment below, even include the links if you have it, to different doll clothes that have been good quality and have worked well for Barbie dolls. I also gave Chelsea an outfit from the Dollar Tree, so the little girl will have a couple outfits to change both of the dolls. So here are all the different red items that I'm including in my older girl shoebox. I think doing a color theme is one way to show intentionality and to just add a little bit of style and pizzazz to your older girl shoebox. Red definitely is a striking color, but you could do this with other colors as well that older girls might like. You could do a yellow box or maybe a lavender or light blue color. There's just a lot of different options and ways you can do color-themed boxes to make them extra fun and special for the older girls. Okay, let's see if I can get this all back inside this red shoebox for an older girl. Okay, I just need to get my label and a rubber band back around this, but I managed to fit everything back in, and I do love how it turned out. Here are the items underneath the Hawaiian lei. So comment below, have you done a color-themed box before, and do you think you would do one for a 10 to 14 girl? You could do this, of course, with any age and gender, but I think it's just kind of fun to do for this older girl age group. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful week and a happy Valentine's Day, and I'll see you again next Sunday. Bye.